Ura Wilfred Osei Kwakupama Sporting Director Dema Temayit Football Club one owner Bankrola Edema Club no or formerly NDK Financiers Board Secretary no can finance dia obi eni ho betimi no edi eyen kwentagbo eho enkomo e Ghana no say Ghana Football Association for pay for say won broke dia omo file for bankruptcy say na emri bi twem no Michael Tyson Edema na brabo file for bankruptcy say wafo hia ese ne kran na gen kwane kwanyina no oni hia ane be na kran na no say pepe no gidi pass efe ni so muniska omo nye san hihye no san komo yi o twemu e won kan ha de nitime san kire mu sun ebu na ketema kofa konongwa de nitime san kire madwoso ekopie mu hye fm for aykache ana ode san komo etu the weekend ana ode san komo kesi etiensa bae kuma se krobia Asante Kotoko prince medu katare pambobu kuno enso akache no o makofa brand tv a ono so no si akan edema Nkranza Warriors no first division club na branti was starting training was best 5 goals world more team sample goals no at 6s and 7s edema kumase Asante Kotoko training intimi hu se nyame adom na se league ne hyase a sa pepe eno be hyase se wo goals na na nedin ene Kwame Opoku se besi sabrib of kasem no unperturbed se obetin asan ede ne ho Kotoko bubukunim na wahye goals no at 6s and 7s ede ama kumase Asante Kotoko
Nkranza Warriors fuakache aji penia de twredie sin krata so san contract ya no odene ede ma Asante Kotoko boboku nu na Kwame Opoku da so ne se Ghana Premier League ne fe to so miru ne hyase a obenya kwan agina go pramaso diagro ede ma metema nanso esan ade kodiewo corona ya no aye deninti bob akansie bia atwentwen so ne se ade ya no Brasia asan sha akansie na se ene Kwame Opoku e kire se efiti bi oba boboku na kache no ne da so ane se obesha atade kokko ne bi ne odi agro de Asante Kotoko nanso esan ade ya amane ma ka kire dinti ogusu atenetere napom e wa atwene mu a wo hwe ne mu na se bibia wie pe ya wagepene edi agro e de Asante Kotoko boboku no.
Looking at Asante Kotoko no, I think say one of the biggest clubs in Ghana because Ghana had the local clubs are big Arobo Kotoko first and then maybe other teams. And the only say Kotoko is a big club no. Play be a very good option from goalkeeping to attack. I think say national team obenya Kotoko player how come defense and so obenya you will come for so I think say play be no so kutano on so kutano qualities what me process until me no more so I train for a while who be and do our CB abo na do what we say it na me so me share do what me so me CB bo me game na me no me train no fe na gusto ayede ya ni homo until who me say the way CB ayi training no na ayi training na mu nya nyi mo bia ye the best put up the best performance with training grounds no. I think say we board team nepa and so no my bano make sure say some players in the woman now be a kuno ho e de ma team no me say me so meet my day abonesa the board team say na be a team no bit ma achieving goals na me so be no player no so no me so meet ma achieving goals playing focus me say the kwasia de pe nche and I think say so we kwasia na other people in Chenti about Asante Kotoko and I bought the best na the mobile club for it. To share among players even before I joined Asante Kotoko, maybe more than and some about team and even before some about team and normally very friendly, we socialize with us on national camp. Nina friendly, my balance so much show that hard to know that and aside the players in Pana minimum no say James Filmon fellas Mumpona minimum the first time I meet your man, the one who show love the chairman. I mean I lost on could be at the moment so and I think say I'm about club and say the one must be show love on the chairman from the start, you know. It just continue then I think say then club no and to share a technical team as well. Coaching grounds are things say be the best. We are the coach with me got your mina any day. Sometimes he training bomina she when you jog and then we smart together a lot. I think say Nina Yoma because me did say sitting that match even goes I think the teamwork a play major role in tea. Me say the one must be there if you continue like that then I think say we have a lot to achieve.
Enti Kwame Opoku Udin Sansantini mapa odi amoku ayen katenkwani di mu anu ato no or say for quasi 30 trousers or Nkranza Warriors at Chennai. Yin so homa ma ohwese ne Mexico so na wa be sia kan dia makuma se Asante Kotoko bobo goals no dia mom into supporters no entimi enya abotem fama no emra omo eguso atwemu hwe nim se enche bia leg no ebetimi atofem we so na megina na me de nenso som no etimi asi che no so ma se power specialist e back ne komadama omo de Hebatin Heba immune system booster anomde aba Hebatin Heba immune system booster ebo adwuma bruta droi ebistu immune system no na eboa mopomodon semetin tintim tintam na eboa ma yade bieda ebebo redie nim no epraprakiri eboa ma niam atimi toje de ma omodin ada se Hebatin Heba immune system booster sabetin aka bi one poison na sa expire kra na osatimi ka Hebatin Heba immune system booster bia ebetia san boa mo atia sagina na so tutumika fo ani kire mu ewo dome born again opposite Ghana Commercial Bank osabetia kan kumase ho na fita kwada na je opposite the single washing bay osabetia ka Hebatin Heba immune system booster droi ebeboa amanyama atia tutoye ede ama Jeffas Health Limited Jeffas root tashino and eteche Jeffas do memanom emasunum antibacterial mixture for the treatment and cure of gonorrhea, syphilis, candidiasis, bacterial infections bia osakabia osatimika Jeffas do be bitian sabwa we are branty severe waist pains to sexual weakness ewadwen premature ejaculation and afin so krano unya burning sensations bia mra ojon so low sperm count to one satimika do be bitian boa afin severe waist pains to ya baya utimi mu panan konanim emane sama nachi eno poma ba bi kika white fitter na so di po candidiasis na chiwa edroi ebe demolition exercise wa himfio na boa ma hwaso twansa Asante Achemenken bomodin ada se menstrual disorders nipping saudo of fam biedu that 12 the month na wutwa jajo asne uni ana wose ana aka nchine gu antempa so wosatimi ka se do bi betia boa ema niama etia kwedi ma infertility de jai wakwa ade ase be semfie donu ni akire ni nkwalantimi mpima wade ase onse mo de adapatwa ne che ne ja kwan a wosatimi ka je fase do bia betia boa na no kwese da so hwe olije fast can save amanfo nyuma womoto edi ye do ayedo no jefa seba center otachima zungu traffic light na sina fikinso keba shop ewo kanshi drug lane kolina keba shop enso bogoso amen santa kwad market circle na fizu wa sebidu fi otakwa se wa eba shop wa santima po betia frejifas ewo 0261319895 na one jefa Health Limited ye ntwetwen komwe ye nhwemwa emaniama intimate to ye enfamao 1xbet and a medium one dance the amount. I've always told you that betting is better than sakawa. For who Jim, who trying to be for and I didn't before any may encourage you say fisa be ko waja padiebo baby uska ukubisha mpasi a betin akofa koton fani na good betting so e trying to be fool. It's a gaming commission am abanso aja tuma e de 1xbet 18 sabrel. But modern ada so do betin sajinemu bet di wa e ntia fadwene kakraton. Number 5 rule of betting is don't be greedy. Number 1 rule is you can stake what you can afford to lose. But modern ada so do betin sajim na emani amatia kwedema 1xbet omho dance ni wemu ene sponsors tutu ne twetwe na no pay wom de omsika dwete touch de media wokense ho sempan saka timi jao hard working Sergio Manucho ena etimitintim sem ne bu nkrata so beja me wo ba kampadu ana afi Prisla and all the wonderful directors almost ehye inside hono wom anetimi sabo ma san hye so kun ebedu sam pempensoi afi so camera lady atimi sampa wo hye face mask ono so ewa hanom ana afi so kwa no ukom hwesena nema esia kwa make up to make down omso yo afi mu de ebo massage me de kese ebedu sam pempensoi yesi akolasa se fa yebisa na ofodin me ma medin de mama pep happy Mother's Day ana enkomo na afi so papa din de bradan omu nada ana committee fam hodwumadie etwa no ewa awoshi bubu ahika na ehya bobulo shi feda baka kopembo meka dansoma da kuma kofodu asum san kede bodu asma kese bri mamponte fade kede krachi bepi nso adu winiba kaso anyanya no kwatempo kweso jaman akoso mu ene na ehya so suga kopeda bala hohoi ebu aketem kochito adedome twa ho akopie mu show mu kromo san korea obiad na fide na to a ohwe Adom TV Adom TV medin bi on the Enoch Kwesi Walanyo Wallace. The act of being a good guest is to know how to say goodbye. But please collaborate and keep watching.